Hey, what's up? Had some issues with the videos that I shot earlier, so this is where I'm at now with this. The issue with the video was it got corrupted. It's a long video, came up to like 48 minutes, so I'll probably have to do some editing and shoot some more vid to kind of put with it, and do it in sessions. I'm gonna have to post videos in sessions. That's why I don't like to do these type of build vids, because it takes a long time. So here we go. Let's continue. Get it finished up, buttoned up, whichever you want to call it. Late at night. It's late. Don't feel like doing it. Alright, let's see. Got the servo done. Kind of finishing off, or yeah, finishing up where I left off here. I put this cross member back on. Had to pull it off. So yeah. I'm going to cross steel back in there. Leave it loose. Engine off. Everything's just sitting in there. Wing off. That was just sitting on there. Everything else is buttoned down. Okay. What we got? We got yeah, let's get this steering button down. I don't know what screws. Got 4 of those. Not sure what. Let me look at the book. I got a short screw and an even shorter screw. Well, I know the shorter screws, but go to the engine mount. Oh, somebody's screaming. Let's look this up. Yeah. Let's figure out where those screws go. This would be the shit. The 4x10s. Glad they show the picture of the actual size. Okay, yeah, that's them right there. Loctite. Wrong driver, idiot. Alright, you. There we go. Just like that. Oh, don't scratch that chassis, boy. Alright. I got two more to sing. Sides, but I have to figure out where those go, because I don't have a clue. Get this out of the way. Still Loctite. That driver's a little sloppy. Use an L wrench. A little torque on there. Alright. Steering's buttoned down. Put this last screw in this mud guard here. I wonder why that doesn't start. There it goes. Start again. Alright. What we got here? A Loctite. This can be very slow process. I don't like to shoot these vids takes too long. This is the little cross member. Oh, good. All right.
Balancing maintenance costs and reporting shouldn't slow your fleet down. Meet Fleetio. We're a fleet optimization platform designed to transform your fleet.
I know I got some more screws here somewhere. They don't go to this kit. It went to a RTR one that was donated to me. Nice to have some extra screws. Can't remember what that. There we go. These got the little lock nuts on the other side, so those don't really need the lock tight. They're nylocks. It's got the nylocks. Here we go. Flop her over. Fuel tank. Sometimes I think you need 3 hands for this. Alright. Now we're getting it on right. Sorry about that. I think it's just late at night. I'm frustrated that my file got corrupted. I think it's probably because it's a 48-minute vid. I'll do some editing and shorten the vid up and post some vids up. These screwdriver's too small for that.
I think this is a crackpot idea. That's what I think. How about that? How about that? Then it's a crackpot idea.
It's a crackpot idea.
Get over with.
Crackpot idea. Try to get this over with. Yeah, it sure was a crackpot idea. Try to get this over with right now. God dang, man, why are you taking so damn long going in there? Huh. Never seen you do that before. Oh, it's in there. You know what? Deal with it later. I think I put too long of a screw in there. It's bottoming out with the other screw in the top. Okay, what we got here? See how many minutes I got on this. Alright guys, I got it like this because I don't want to rebuild it yet. It's done at this point, but I don't want to rebuild it yet. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for part 4. Y'all have a good one. Later.